So I thought today I would go over my thigh survival kit. This is a kit that I keep on me wherever I go when it's out in the woods. It's a great little kit to keep in your car as well. But the reason I keep it around my waist or thigh is if you lose your main pack, if you set it down, you go off to explore, you still have something that's relatively lightweight that has just about everything you need. What's missing in this, because it's installed, is my ridge line, and then there are 7 guy lines and 6 stakes that I'm currently using. Those 6 stakes fit in this pouch. Not that pouch. This pouch right here. And they actually fit nice and neat, straight down and nice and flat and not in your way. So since I have this one opened up, let's go over this. An LED rechargeable headlamp, a battery headlamp, and spare batteries. That takes 3, so I keep 6. A tourniquet, which is a must when you're outdoors. Open up this main pouch. 1-inch roll of Gorilla Tape. Hot hands. Hand warmers. Cotton balls dipped in Vaseline. You can use this for anything medical and or fire starting. That's not really necessary, but I forget what's in this tin. Bear with me while I open that up. Check the view maybe while I'm opening up that tin. It should be a fire starting kit. Oh no, this is my compass. I'm sorry. My compass is Suunto MC2 Global. Two granola bars, 100 feet of number 36 bank line, there's just little pockets everywhere. Your little miniature first aid kit. It has just your basic band-aids, antiseptic wipes, and first aid cream and burn cream, I believe. Yeah, nothing major, but still nice to have. Propel. A Sharpie. And Neosporin. This pouch, this is where I keep my rapid deploy ridge line and my guy lines. Those are just ones I didn't need. I like the rule of 7 for those for some reason. Seems like it's always just enough to do whatever I need. Down here we have a 6-inch ferro rod, some fat wood, a Bic lighter, some duct tape wrapped around the Bic lighter, fat wood. You don't need much. And then over here, my SAK Swiss Army knife. This is the Ranger version. It's got a nice 3-inch blade, saw, screwdriver, toothpick, tweezers, and it all fits right on your, this loop goes around your waist, and then a leg loop.